Well, hey there, boys and girls. We have day 6 here of our March daily math. Let's begin. Number 1. We're going to start with the number 40 and add 5. 40 plus 5 is 45. Okay, now we're going to take that 45 and we're going to subtract 19. So 45 minus 19... 15 minus 9 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. Those of you doing that in your head, you might have gone 45 minus 20 is 25, and then get the 1 back to make 26. Whatever. 26, and then we need to add 4 more to that. 26 plus 4 is a 30. Good job. How many of those stripedy beads are in Annie's whole necklace? Well, there's 1, 2 on this half, and that means there's 2 more on the other half, so 2 plus 2 would be 4. All right. Number 4. We'll use these digits to make 5 3-digit numbers that are all less than 500. Okay, so they got to be less than 500, and they have to be a 3-digit number. So I can have a 200 number, I can have a 300 number, and I can have a 400 number. And the rest will all be greater than 500, so then I'll have to have another, and I'll just say 2 and a 300 number. So let's go 265. And then we'll go 358. And then 489. Okay, another 2, and then 95. And let's go 368. Whatever, doesn't matter as long as this first digit is a 2, a 3, or a 4, right? Okay. Color a fourth of this rectangle. How many fourths are in the whole thing? 4. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. There are 4 pieces. That's why it's fourths. That's our answer right there. How many fourths are in the whole? 4. Okay, we colored in 1/4, right? But our answer down here is 4 because that's a little bit different question. So, awesome work today, boys and girls. What I'd like you to do is when you finished making your corrections on day 6, could you raise your hand? And when your teacher calls upon you, just share, I love math. Okay? And then just carry on the rest of your way. See you tomorrow for day 7.